Hello again, friends. Welcome to another edition of Beavertown Outdoors. I'm John. Thanks for stopping by. So today, we're going to do some cutting. My last video, if you watched it, I did some sharpening of my chains with the EzzDoo chainsaw sharpener. And today is the day we're going to test it out. It's a beautiful day out today. The sun's shining, birds chirping. I think it's about 40 degrees today, so really nice. Great weather for February, I suppose. So we're going to take advantage of it, do some cutting. I'm going to show each of the saws how they did after the sharpening with the EzzDoo. So what I got here is got some logs I moved over, obviously before it's all these bouts of snow. This is red oak, some wood from Mount St. Red Oak. I moved it over here with the tractor to get them out of the big pile. I figure out how to break down that pile a little bit and get it down, because I don't like climbing up too high, and you know it's stacked pretty high, and one of these logs falling on you would not be a great thing. So I got these set up here, and I'm going to bring out the saws, and we're going to try out each one and see how it's cutting. I'll cut one log each with it, and we'll give a report, so stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take our saws and we're going to get them oiled up, fueled up, warmed up, and ready to go. Alright, so first we're going to start off putting the oil in. Now it's above freezing today, so I could get away with using the oil that's in the combo can. That's the all season, which would work, but you know I got lots of winter grade oil left, so I'm just going to fill them up with winter grade. It just runs out a little faster, that's all. You know, using up a $15 bottle of oil faster is a lot cheaper than burning up $30 chains. Alright, so we got oil in that one. Use our combo can, get her unlocked. Those of you who haven't seen this can before, it's got this neat locking mechanism. You know, so you basically put it on the saw, you push down, fills the saw up, and then when you lift up, no fuel spilling. I know we have these goofy rules here in the States about no spilling cans, EPA stuff. This does not meet EPA. You got to order these from overseas, hence why they have liters on them instead of good old American gallons. See, fills up to the top, stops, you just pull it out, nothing spilled. Which I believe that's the whole point of the EPA stuff. So I don't know. Guess Husqvarna didn't pay the right people or something. So. Alright, so Stihl has the twist locks, which some people don't like those, I don't mind them. I've never had, knock on wood, I've never had one come loose, never had it leak. And I run my saws for a long time. I put a lot of hours on these. I don't have a problem with the steel caps, but you know, some people do. And that's fine. It's always your own experience. You know, everybody can, you know, Stihl builds God knows how many saws a year. And, you know, there can be bad ones out there, but, hey, you know, if you don't like them, well, buy different ones. You can buy different ones for the saw, or you can buy saws that don't have them. You know, I've had the Husqvarnas before. There's actually a Husqvarna I hope to have again. And, yeah, it'll, you know, they have a different cap system. You know, theirs has a flip up, but it's still on threads, and it works good. Won't deny that. I got a little bit too much oil in there, but oh saw gloves, so doesn't matter. Get this out of the way here. And this can works on the Dolmar saw just as well as it does on the Stihl. At least it has thus far. I said that. Now we're gonna watch. We're gonna have an issue, but. And stopped. Pull it out. That's it. Lock it down. She's nice and secure. Feels perfectly filled up. And there's actually one of those stoppers for the stopper caps for the oil. This time of year it doesn't. This time of year it doesn't flow very well. So you get what you get. All right, let's start these up. We'll get them warmed up, and I'll get my chaps on. See? I said something about it. Jinxed me. And there it was. The infamous cap pop off. Alright, there you go, YouTube land. You saw it. I said it. And I just wasted a can of oil. Oh well. I think what it was, I just didn't have it in right. Yep. And now I got a glove full of oil. Try that again. Alright, so first up, the Stihl MS 447 with the Pro Sizer. Well, that worked good on the Stihl. Let's get the Dolmar out and give her a shot. Alright, now we're going to go for the Dolmar. I did use the Stihl with the Pro Sizer just for the sake of time. I did put marks on the log just so I could zip along and get this video done. All right. So that was that. It's just a quick cut up 2 logs each one. And I will give it credit. I think the Dolmar's cutting a little better than the Stihl today. That happens. Both of them are doing good. Might just be the logs too. These logs have been sitting here frozen, so but yeah. Yeah, she's cutting good now. Real good. Well, guys, I think those I think the EzzDoo is a winner. Or easy to do, EzzDoo, whatever. Yeah, both saws are nice and sharp now. Stihl's definitely cutting better. It's not chattering anymore. That's a plus. So I was getting a little worried about it. Yeah, man, the Dolmar's cutting good. I think Husky might have a little bit on Stihl on this chain. So, you know, but we got them both. And yeah, the Dolmar, in case you didn't know, has I have Husqvarna chain on it. Their X-Cut or whatever they call that. Yeah, man, that works great. So, you know, I've got Oregon chains too, and they work good. The only thing I do find is they dull quicker. And man, they're real sensitive. If you even look at dirt with them, they're dull. So, Stihl and the Husqvarna seem to be a little more forgiving. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to keep this short. I really want to get as much of this cut up as I can. So if you like this, if you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button. Really love to have some more subscribers. We're getting better, you know, getting more every day, and I thank you for that. But until next time, everyone, take care of each other, stay safe. I'm out.